What is it about pricing? I can go through a bid and work really hard to check every detail and make sure I've got it right, and then some joker will underbid me by thousands of dollars. Or I can work just as hard, sharpen my pencil, make sure that I've got the right stuff for making an adequate profit, and the customer will come back to me and say, "Can't you do a little better than that?" Hello, I'm Will Sampson. I'm the editor of FDMC Magazine, editorial director of Woodworking Network. And I've done my share of custom projects over the years too. It's frustrating. Pricing is really a challenge. That's why years ago I created the pricing survey. It's a tool that you can use to better inform your own pricing and also help inform the rest of this industry that is hurting each other by the way that they price things in haphazard fashion. Here's how it works. We take real jobs done by real shops, and then we get the original bidding specifications. And we make those available to anybody that wants to bid those jobs. Then we print the itemized results in FDMC Magazine and online and show people in breakdowns what is going on in the pricing. And we try to answer that question of why pricing on custom work varies so much. And there's a lot of answers to that question. But the best thing that you can do to help your pricing is participate in the pricing survey so that we can get a more informed yardstick to measure this stuff. You can download the bid package free online at woodworkingnetwork/pricing-survey. And then you can go through and find the jobs that work best in your shop, that kind of work that you do. This year we have really good mainstream projects. We have a cherry kitchen, we have some restaurant booths, we have a maple painted kitchen, and a bookstore project for retail commercial work, and a full overlay maple kitchen that could be either done as a face frame or a frameless project. They're all good projects, and we have the original bidding specifications for each of these projects, all the drawings, measure drawings, all that stuff, the information you need to bid these jobs. But you got to get to it fast because the bids have to be returned by September 20th. And I really want to get your bid. I want you to help us, help the industry by figuring out what's wrong with pricing for custom woodwork. It's as simple as that. And you can help. Just go to woodworkingnetwork.com/pricing-survey. Do it today. Thank you.